Driver jumping out of the vehicle. Driver running through a parking lot, getting out of the vehicle into another group of cars, and it looks like a commercial
going into a commercial building. Looks like a liquor store.
Helicopter able to keep the night sun on him, but those CHP units are still handling the passenger. Don't see anybody chasing him on foot yet. We'll see what some of these businesses are. If he's okay, that's not him. Wonder how he made his way into one of these. It looks like a liquor store there. Oh no, I hope he's not in that liquor store.
That would be a big problem.
Doesn't look like it. You can see somebody there at the front door. That night sun following along the perimeter of the building.
Is this the guy?
That's not him either. Is it? I don't think so.
I don't think he had that much time to change. He wasn't wearing anything like that when he got out of the vehicle.
Yeah, I don't think so. But somebody with a guilty conscience putting both hands up in the air. And you can see them now scouring this entire parking lot, looking for any sign. You can see there's a gap between that liquor store and that other building, and he may have very well squeezed between the two. I can't tell. It looks like there's a possible gate there. I can't tell. They're now going to peek inside that liquor store. K-9 units already on scene. There's several witnesses who can help those officers out because he is not, I mean, look at them. They're kind of staying outside of the liquor store. Wonder if he might be inside the liquor store.
Oh, now they're going down the street through the parking lot again. This was the driver who took off on foot. Now the dog is, why is the dog chewing on this guy?
Yeah, and I don't think that's him, Mark. I don't think that's him.
If our director Mark can get us video of the re-rack that video of the person that was running out of the car. We're trying to get that. He's in there by himself trying to get that video. We're going to try to get that to you. This doesn't, although he seems to be of similar height. That guy looked like